Professional development is a key component for most teachers' growth and continual learning. Many teachers participate in professional development opportunities offered by their school or the division, or seek out professional learning opportunities on their own. Because the time and resources for professional development are limited, in any school, the highest return on investment occurs when professional development is aligned to the needs of all who participate. So how can coaches help with that? It's not enough to simply offer workshops on the latest and greatest technology craze. Professional development offerings, no matter how they are presented, should meet stated needs. And they should be evaluated to determine what worked, what didn't, and how things can be improved in the future. The idea of conducting a needs assessment to determine professional development and then evaluating its impact on teacher learning are central to program evaluation. Professor Helen Crompton from Old Dominion University notes that while professional development is familiar to most coaches, being strategic about planning and program evaluation may be new. The standard encourages you to use proven strategies to increase the positive impact of professional development offered on your site, including professional learning opportunities you plan and facilitate. Check out this video from Espitz and Fairfax County for ideas on how they plan for, implement, and evaluate professional learning at their sites. Each coach was asked to reflect on the following 3 questions. How do you determine what professional development teachers need? What data or information do you collect to help you make those decisions? What types of professional development do you engage in with teachers? Which do you find most effective? What's the best way coaches can have an impact on student outcomes? As you review the videos, think about how you might respond to these same questions based upon your experiences in Espitz, or even working with other colleagues in your school. Do these responses bring up any questions?